And one more thing worth mentioning is how to find the size of a binary file, or how to find the size of any file. I have a list of all of these files and I want to find the size of the detail.txt. So I would include the fstream, and then within the fstream I will use the input file stream class. In the input file stream, I'll name my object in. I'll then connect the stream to the file. So I'll be using detail1.txt. Whether the file was in binary or not, you can still use this method to find the size of your file. Then you'll be using a method. So you'll be using two important methods. That is tell get and seek get. Now seek get and seek put, you have seek get and seek put. Now seek get is used for reading, while seek put function method is used for writing. Similarly for tell g, tell p, it is the same, reading, writing respectively. Now this method return an object type stream position. Let's call this x. Maybe this let's call this x, and initially x will be pointing, the cursor initially is pointing towards the beginning of the file. So if you see out x, now this will return an error because this is of type stream position, and cout doesn't know how to deal with this object, so just typecast it to an integer and you get 0. Initially it is 0. Then what we do is that we put the cursor at the very end. How do you put the cursor at the very end? Is just use the 0 and then we use the end offset, and the end offset would say would tell the method that start from the end and respective and in respective to the end we start from 0. So from the end we start from 0. If you say 1, then this would push your cursor 1 byte backwards starting from the end, while if you say 0, then this would start the pointer at the very end. This would set the pointer at the very end of your file. And then what you can do is that you can get another, you can call the method again with tell get, and then let's have it as x2, and then you can see out the x2 as an integer. And if you print this out, well then you get 28, and 28 is the size of your file in bytes. And so you can convert this by, you can then do the math, convert it to megabytes, kilobytes, you name it. And that is the method of how to find the size of a file in C++.